Hi everyone, if you're in the medical device industry, you know how critical it is to always be audit ready. Today we're going to be focusing on one key area, design controls. In this latest video in my Always Be Audit Ready Quick Compliance series, I'll cover the main objectives of an FDA inspection of the design controls subsystem and share actionable steps to prepare effectively. Stick around to learn how to reduce the chance of inspectional observations and keep your processes in compliance. Let's get started. During an inspection, FDA investigators focus on whether your design process ensures the device meets user needs, intended use, and regulatory requirements. They'll also assess whether your design history file, or DHF, is compliant. Here are the main objectives they'll evaluate. Design control procedures. Are they documented and implemented? Design plans. Do they outline activities, responsibilities, and interfaces clearly? Inputs and outputs. Are design inputs established and are critical outputs identified and verified? Acceptance criteria. Were criteria set before verification and validation activities began? Design reviews. Are reviews planned, conducted, and documented with independent evaluators? Risk analysis. Was risk analysis integrated throughout the design process? Validation. Was design validation completed using initial production devices or their equivalents? Design transfers. Were design outputs accurately transferred to manufacturing? Change control. Are design changes well documented, verified, and validated? Input-output alignment. Do design inputs match outputs, ensuring all requirements are met? To prepare for an inspection, you need a strategy that ensures compliance and minimizes risk. Here's how to do it. Number 1, document everything. Ensure design control procedures, plans, and records are comprehensive, accessible, and current. Your DHF should serve as a complete record of compliance activities. Number 2, plan and document design reviews. Schedule reviews at major milestones, include qualified participants and independent evaluators, and document outcomes and action items. Number 3, define acceptance criteria early. Establish acceptance criteria before starting verification and validation. These criteria guide testing and ensure results are measurable and objective. Number 4, use initial production units for validation. Validate designs using production units or equivalents. If equivalents are used, document and justify their comparability. Number 5, perform risk analysis continuously. Incorporate risk analysis throughout the design process to identify and mitigate hazards early. Number 6, verify design transfers. Ensure design outputs are accurately transferred into manufacturing specifications, such as assembly instructions, inspection standards, and test protocols. Review how these outputs align with the original design requirements. Number 7, validate design changes. For any design changes, whether during development or post-production, maintain validated records. Validate changes to confirm they don't introduce new risks and verify alignment with regulatory and user requirements. Number 8, verify design outputs meet inputs. Evaluate whether design outputs satisfy the inputs. This alignment is critical to confirm that the final design fulfills all specified requirements. Best practice is to maintain a trace matrix which maps inputs to outputs, along with references to verification and validation data. Number 9, train your team. Educate your staff on design controls, regulatory requirements, and their specific roles. Knowledgeable employees are a key defense against noncompliance. Number 10, audit internally. Conduct regular internal audits and mock inspections. These help identify and fix gaps proactively while preparing your team for FDA processes. To help you identify gaps in design controls and other subsystems, I've put together a 63-page FDA inspection checklist. This comprehensive checklist will save you time preparing for inspections and includes question prompts which act as conversation starters to effectively challenge process owners and subject matter experts with the goal of uncovering compliance gaps. You can download my checklist for free using the link in the description. Here's the key takeaway. FDA inspections aren't just about passing. They're about ensuring your devices are safe, effective, and compliant. By focusing on robust design controls, you bring trust with regulators, customers, and most importantly, patients. I hope you found this information helpful. If you have questions about FDA inspections or quality systems, feel free to leave a comment below. Let's work together to ensure success. Now you know what to expect during an FDA inspection of the design controls subsystem and how to prepare. Keep in mind this video is part of a series where we'll delve further into the objectives of an FDA inspection and how to prepare. If you strive to always be audit ready, You won't want to miss this video series. So be sure to like, subscribe, and enable notifications to ensure you know when I post the next video in the series. Thanks for watching.